our YouTube channel, KevKev and
Maya.
And today we are right at Walmart.
We're buying slime supplies.
Let's go. The moon. So what should we buy here, Maya?
I think we should buy some slimes.
Let's see. Oh my god.
Look at that.
Which one do you want?
I want that top.
You want the rainbow tie-dye?
Yeah,
Here,
it's so
put it in
cute.
the shopping cart. And now take this one. The
That
icy one.
That looks so cute.
Yes.
Let me put that in for you.
What a great option you chose, Maya.
Yeah, I love your option too. And yours is glittery.
Let's go look for glue and slime.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's see.
Wait, look at that.
Isn't that
snow.
instant snow?
Yeah.
Let's take 2 packets.
Yeah, let's take it.
And instant snow makes what kind of slime, Maya?
Yeah.
What kinds of slime does it make?
It makes it kind of dripsy.
Icy slime, right?
Yeah.
Yes, let's put it here.
Wait, look at these little glitters.
I think we can get glitters sometime else. But let's go. What about this glitter?
Take that glitter.
This glitter?
This is iridescent glitter.
Let's get this one. But is there this one? Let's get both.
We're getting all of these glitters. So let's go get other things.
Let's see, is there any glue? Can you help me find it? There it is. What is this? Which one do you want to take?
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
How many do we take? Do we take 2?
2.
We're gonna go buy some charms right now. Let's go, Maya.
So where do you think? No, I don't think nothing is here. Maybe let's go somewhere else.
Oh, look, this is not charms.
No, these are not charms. Charms.
What is that?
A bubble tea.
That's a matcha tea.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, it's the same brand as our previous video.
Yeah, that you did before as a surprise for me, but it was a fail.
Where did you find it?
I found it right here.
Oh, baking soda, Maya, right? You
Yeah.
need baking soda. Let's get baking soda.
Oh, I read cornstarch, KevKev.
Cornstarch?
There's cornstarch right there.
Cornstarch. Let's get it.
Could it go in here?
Want to go in there? Why?
Because I want to see all of the slime.
You want to sit with your slime? Let me help you. Okay, let's go.
Yes. So now I'm going to show everything that we buy in the store. First, me and KevKev, we buy these 2 little packages of slime. Mine is an icy slime, it looks like. It's a rainbow slime. And there is crunchy beads, which is foam balls. In the rainbow, there's chunky glitter, and it's golden, and there's some silver glitter that looks like tiny stars. And the colors of the rainbow that I got with the slime is blue, pink, and yellow. So let's put these in and talk about KevKev. And KevKev's look like a little Bingsa slime. It's a glitterly kind of effect. There's Bingsa beads and there's chunky glitter. And there's two kind of Bingsa beads. One is clear and one is kind of a light blue. As you can see, kind of a light bluish color. And we also buy these little glitters, which looks super cute. And they're like a rainbow, but they're kind of mixed up, which is totally fine. Let me show you all of the other ones. And I also bought a iridescent glitter, which is white, kind of a pink effect. And I bought this little golden one that I chose. And then we bought these instant snow, and it looks like it makes your slime kind of drizzly and kind of a snowy effect. So yeah, that looks super cute. Then we bought these 2 gallons of glue for our slimes, and they're white glue. Then we bought these 2 clear glues, and lastly we bought some cornstarch for our slimes.
That is it for today's videos, and we really hope you enjoyed our
Shopping video.
bye.
Bye.